Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gyroscope in T3 Arena. If you want to enable Gyroscope in T3 Arena for improving aiming and precision in fast-paced battles, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch the T3 Arena on your device and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're inside the homepage, tap on the menu button at the top right corner and click on Options. Under Options, make sure that you're inside the Controls tab, and under Basic Options, scroll down and click on the On button right next to Gyroscope settings. Now you can adjust the gyros setting for horizontal gyro sensitivity and vertical gyro sensitivity. Simply drag the slider and adjust it to your liking. Once you do that, you can then go ahead and get to the home page and play the game. So that's how you easily enable Gyroscope in T3 Arena for best performance. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.